Can you make a legit Neapolitan style pizza in the Ooni Volt pizza oven? That's the question we're going to answer today. I have a Neapolitan pizza dough ball all stretched out onto my pizza peel here. We're gonna build a classic pizza margherita. I feel like that's a great one to test out the oven with. How I do my pizza margherita, I have my world's best tomato sauce here. It's up on the blog on santabarbarabaker.com and also in my cookbook, the Epic Outdoor Pizza Oven Cookbook. Gonna put a generous amount of sauce here into the center of the pizza before I start swirling it out. I find some people have some issues sometimes with the pizza lifting up a bit in the oven as you're baking it. And one trick to that, to prevent that from happening, is just add a nice generous amount of sauce. Our pizza is looking nicely sauced. Let's hit it with some fresh basil, always classic on a pizza margherita. I like to include it with the bake because I feel like you get a lot of that smell and the essence of the basil really perfuming the whole entire pizza as it bakes. And also sometimes I like to add a little bit at the end as well. And then on to fresh mozzarella. I have some little fresh mozzarella balls here. I like to, when they're about this size, I break them up either into 2 or 3 pieces, put one in the center here, and we'll break this up into 2. So when I'm saying a legitimate Neapolitan style pizza, what do I mean? Well, I'm thinking this pizza should bake in probably under 2 minutes, probably around 90 seconds. Have some nice leoparding and blistering going on the crust. And we have the traditional ingredients here, just some Caputo 00 flour, yeast and salt, and water, of course. Our pizza margherita is looking beautiful. Let's hit it with one last little drizzle of olive oil before it goes in the oven. And let's take the oven deck temp with our thermometer here before we load it. 847 in the center of the oven. That sounds good to me. Let's get this pizza loaded up. I have my pizza margherita here ready to load into the Ooni Volt. We just took the temp. It was 850. We're gonna see if we can bake a legitimate Neapolitan style pizza in this oven. I'm thinking about 90 seconds to a 2-minute bake. We'll see how it goes. We're baking a Neapolitan style pizza in the Ooni Volt. Now, one question people always have is, do you still need to turn a pizza when using the Volt? I recommend it at least 1 turn. Our pizza margherita is smelling amazing. I think it's ready for a turn. Wow, it looks beautiful. Let's give it a little spin here. Some nice leoparding going on. Nice quick bake too. And you can see the cheese is not getting too much color, which we really like. It looks like a really legit classic pizza margherita. Our Neapolitan style pizza margherita is smelling about done. Let's take a look inside. Give it one last little turn here. Wow, it looks amazing. The cheese melting. I think this is about done. Our pizza margherita smells amazing. Let's get it out of the oven before it burns. I can just picking it up. It feels really good on the peel. Check it out. Blistered. Lots of leoparding going on. A beautiful pizza here. We'll let it rest on the rack for a couple seconds before we slice it up. Check out the bake on this pizza. It looks really amazing. Neapolitan style pizza, and I can pick it up in my hand like this so you know it's not gonna be floppy. This pizza is looking absolutely amazing. Can you guys see the bottom of it here? Overall, this looks like a legit Neapolitan style pizza to me. Let's slice it up and take a bite. We can slide it on to a little rack I have here to keep it nice and crispy. Can you make legit Neapolitan style pizza with the Ooni Volt? This pizza looks really bomb to me. Let's hit it with a little bit of fresh basil here to finish it off. Maybe we'll give it another little last drizzle of olive oil. Let's go in here. Picking up a slice, classic Neapolitan style pizza, really authentic vibes going on here, but cooked at home indoors with the Ooni Volt Pizza Oven and no flop. Let's get in it. Absolutely delicious. Got the bright flavors of the tomato sauce and a really nice bake, little bit crispy but soft, really delicious pizza here. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Check out my book, The Epic Outdoor Pizza Oven Cookbook. SantaBarbaraBaker.com. That's where you find the recipes. I love you all. One love.